For the year 2020 so far, the Special Victims Unit has received a total of 40 cases of domestic violence and child sexual offences. According to Superintendent Andrea Victor, head of the Special Victims Unit, 80% of the cases reported are related to sexual offences against children. Superintendent Victor outlines some of the arrests made so far.
There have been 38 arrests as a result, with a significant portion of charges laid against alleged perpetrators. 136 charges were laid. What you find is that in most instances, one person would receive several charges, given the number of times they would have had that sexual contact with the minors or that victim.
17 of the child sexual cases were reported while the country was on strict lockdown period between March and May, implemented to stop the spread of the coronavirus. While the latest statistics may not show a definite increase in cases compared to the same period last year, Superintendent Victor says after an analysis this may change.
We have not been able yet to capture the statistical data. Um, the stations and our criminal records office still have to collate those information. Um, but from my local knowledge, there have been several incidents of domestic violence reported to the police, particularly so intimate partner violence. And we all, there is a perceived, and I'm saying a perceived increase, because a number of persons would call and ask, well, have you seen an increase in domestic violence and sexual violence? And rightfully so, or justifiably so, because it is understood that in times of crises, incidents of domestic violence and sexual violence, they're expected to increase. Conversely, though, our statistics shows differently, and as I indicated, we've had only 17 sexual violence, but I am aware we've had a number of domestic violence, especially intimate partner violence, but I cannot give you a direct figure. This is yet to be assessed.
The head of the unit also explained that the SVU continues to work closely with the courts and with the Ministry of Social Development to provide safety measures for victims during the COVID-19 crisis. For GBN News, I am Rena Pear reporting.